So, welcome to a video on how to upload your Zoom recordings to YouTube. First, you will need your own YouTube account, and you also need to know the location of where the video is being stored that you want to put on YouTube. You're going to sign into YouTube and go to the home page. We're going to click on the camera with the plus sign, select upload video. Then we're going to select our files, where it's a good idea that you have checked that your video works the way you want to, that you're selecting the right one, and you've renamed it ahead of time. Then we're going to go through the steps in YouTube of titling, describing, copying the link that we're going to share with our students. And then next, and then you have a bunch of options that you're going to select. It's not for kids. There's some customization options I don't use, so we're clicking next a couple of times. Then we're going to make it either public or enlisted and save. Public means anybody could search and find it. And unlisted means that it's not searchable, but if you give someone the link, if anyone who has the link, they can access your video. So either way is fine, whatever you're comfortable with. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, so I've pulled up YouTube here and I'm signed in. And the first step that we're going to do is click on this camera on the top right of the screen. It has a plus symbol in it. It's going to pull up a menu. We're going to select upload video. And here I'm going to click select files, which takes me to my directory. Now I have my files going to Zoom. So if I click Zoom recordings, here's all of my recordings on OneDrive. And I have them by date. So let's see. I think we're going to do this one first. Now, what happened is when I was recording these videos, I started recording and stopped. I had made some errors and then started again and stopped. So you may have several options here. And so what I know is this Zoom 0, it was my first attempt at recording, and this Zoom 1 was my second. Now I'm going to rename this right here. First draft Zoom training. And that's the one I know I want to select. I'm going to open that up. And see here, it's taken the name of what I named it. And I'm going to say this is a video on how to record Zoom meetings, put them in the cloud or on your computer, and share the link with students. You can also see how to record automatically. Okay, now there's several options for you to record, to copy this link. I just do it right away at the beginning, but there's some other ones. Then I'm just going to hit next. It's going to make sure that I answer, is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. I don't have any of these things, so I'm not going to add them. I'm going to click next. And it's telling me it's checking that I don't have copyrighted material. That's fine. And here's where you're going to check either unlisted or public. So you can choose either. Again, here's another place where you could copy your link. And I'm going to click save. And so it's processing. And I don't need to see this, so I'm going to hit close. And then when it's done, you can see here, here's all of the ones that I have done in the past. And this is processing, and it's telling me how fast it's going and when this link will be ready, even though I've already copied the link. But I could go on and copy and paste the link into my Canvas shell. So to review, these are the steps that you'll go through to upload a Zoom recording to YouTube and share that link with your students. I hope this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions.